In this video, we are going to create post count. Over here to be public function post count. The post count method takes one argument, that's the post ID. Then over here to be $query is equal to $this our notation, PDUR notation prepare. Then over here will be select post underscore ID from post where posted by is equal to the post ID. Then over here will be $query our notation execute. Here will be our array. We have column posted or post ID. Now notation post ID. Here is semicolon. Then over here will be $count is equal to $query our notation row count. Then here will be semicolon. Then over here we just return row count, which is this one. So go to your profile.php. Over here, just open up your PHP tag and close it here. Here will be echo $load from post our notation post count. Over here will be dollar. It's not supposed to be post ID, but rather the user ID rather, not the post ID. This one be the user ID. Here to the same thing, user ID. Here will be user ID. Here will be the user ID. Here will be profile data our notation user underscore ID. Then over here will be semicolon. So now just refresh it. As you can see, we have 6 posts, meaning that our logic has worked fine. In the next video, we are going to work on the followers and the following.